So the big question on everybody's mind is, when do you start a trading robot? When it's in a bull market or when we're in a bear market? Let's explore those two ideas together. So what we do know is that if you set up a trading robot or you trade yourself inside a bull market, well, a donkey can make money. Because obviously if you buy down here and the price keeps going up, you're just going to make money. It's simple as that. But what happens if you buy down here and the price goes down even further? Then you just got to hold. But if you've got a trading robot that can trade those volatile markets, because as its price goes down, there's always those little pullbacks. It goes down, it comes up. It goes down, it comes up. And that's what you want your robot to do. You want your robot to take advantage when it's going down to pick up on those little moves up. So it takes some profit and brings down the price of the token that you're trading so that you can make a profit. Let's have a look. I want to share my screen with you and go through this in a bit more detail and show you some of my bots that I'm going to adjust the settings on. So what I wanted to do was show you these two trading robots here. We'll look at this robot here. So I've got it set at the moment to sell only. Now some people do this because the price keeps dropping and they say, I just want to get out, I just want it to sell, I'm going to wait for it to go back up. So I've set this deliberately to sell only, and the same for this one. And these both are trading on Binance. So if I go over to my Binance account and we look at the chart, but as you can see, it's got this downward trend, but you see it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. Now, if you've got your bot set to sell only, well, if it bought right at the top here and the price going down, it's not going to make any profit until the price gets above the point that it bought in at. And if I look at the trading log for this bot, if I look at a day, there's no trades in a day because the price has not gone back to where it was when it bought in. There's no trades in a week. So this bot traded about 2 weeks ago. It did its last trade. As you can see there, it says the 12th of the 6th and today's the 25th of June. So my bot, by setting it to sell only, it sold here, but it couldn't do anything else. So let's go back to Jonnyblockchain. And we'll look at this one here. You see, so it's got one lot outstanding. And if we look here, it shows you the current price is this 0.3. And it's got to go to 0.38. So how much has the price got to go up from the point it is now to actually sell this lot? So if we get the current price level and the price that it's got to go to, it's got to go up to over 29% for my bot to start making a profit again. And that's just too long, isn't it? I mean, I don't know how long this token's going to be before it goes up by 29%. And I've actually missed out on all these movements up as it's gone down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my bot and I'm going to edit the settings. I'm going to go into the expert mode, and then just looking down here, I can see that I've got it on stop buying and sell only. Now I've got a lot here to say if it drops minus 5%, it would buy. But because I've got it set to sell only, it's not going to buy that. And it wants to trade with $10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it onto infinite. And I'm going to leave everything else as it is. And then what I'm going to do is come up to the top and click save. And I'll check that my bot's switched on. As you can see, it's switched on there. So what this is going to do now, this bot's going to wait to buy into the market with that lot that it's got. It's got another lot. Now, as we can see, at the moment, it's got one lot outstanding. So let's refresh the screen. You can now see that it's actually bought that second lot. And it's saying that the current price is 3.0 and the profit level is 3.04, if you can see that there. Okay, so 0.030 is the current price and the profit level is 0.0304. So if I head over to Binance now and put that onto for a day, you can see it's done that buy. So now this bot has got a chance to make a profit if the price goes up from this point here and then goes down. Doesn't matter if it goes back down. The bot's got a chance to start making profit to trade its way out of debt. So as you can see here, my bot bought in just now, and it hasn't bought in for the last 2 weeks. It bought in down there, and now it's waiting for the price to go up so that it can take some profit and start trading its way out of debt using the kept profits tool that's built inside Jonnyblockchain. And there you go. It's just made a sale. Now, it hasn't done anything for 2 weeks, and yet this bot has made profit in the time that I'm making this video. So let's go back over to Jonnyblockchain. We can see it's got two lots. You can see there it says that it made 7.4%. And we're going to refresh the screen. And you can see now it's gone back down to one lot and the ROI has gone up to 7.84. And if I look at the trade log, you can see it's just made 9 cents and it hasn't made a penny for 2 weeks because I had it switched on to sell only, and it's got to wait for that price to go up by 29%. So Jonnyblockchain will now start to save some of the profits to bring down the price of the previous lot so that it hasn't got to go up to 29%. So just coming back over to Binance, you could see the bot did a buy, did a sell. The price is going back down now. So the bot's going to wait to buy in again. It wants to see the price going down. It wants to see a little bit of a retracement and then it can buy in again. And each time it does that, like I said earlier, it's going to keep some of the profits to bring down the price of that token, that lot that you've got outstanding, so that it hasn't got to go back up to that 29%. And if I come back over to Jonnyblockchain and I go to the getting started page, and below that video, there's this blue button that says step-by-step user guide. Click on that. And what you want to do is go down this screen here and look for the bit where it says kept profits. Watch this video here about the kept profits so that you understand how the bot can trade its way out of debt. I mean, I recommend you watch all these videos on this page inside the bot settings, especially because it tells you all about how the trading bot works and how it works in a bull market and how it works in a bear market. And it's the key here is how it works in a bear market, because any trading robot will make you a profit in a bull market. But Jonnyblockchain's robot can make a profit, like you've just seen over here, made a profit when the price is going down. It's picking up that volatility in the market so that it can make profit even though the price has got a downward trend. Now, if you want to create your own trading robot, below this video you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonnyblockchain. You can either use it with a MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap or Uniswap, or you can set it up with Binance.com and Binance US. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. And if you look down the bottom here, you'll see that we've got 105,000 in passive income for the members so far. You'll also see that there's over $7,000 paid in affiliate commissions. It's also got affiliate program, 98.4% of profitable trades, 0.5% are bought back, broke even basically, and then we've got 1.1% of negative trades, means that they made a loss. But 98.4% of positive trades. Absolutely mind-blowing system. It really works. It does what it says on the tin. It's a trading robot that works with PancakeSwap, Uniswap and Binance.com or Binance.us. Create your free account. Click on any of these buttons, sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year. And you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.